Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Liver disease is very common nowadays. Research has found that about 1 to 10 Americans, 30 million in total, have some type of liver disease. The most common type of liver disease is fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. You can actually prevent and reverse liver disease by eating the right food. Now let us see what kind of food you should eat regularly to maintain good liver health. 1. Flaxseed. Flaxseeds are a good source of essential fatty acids and antioxidants, and their consumption is associated with many health benefits, including the safeguarding of liver health. Ground flaxseed is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, which could help to protect the liver from cellular injury. Therefore, flax seeds are incredibly good for your liver, and you can consume them regularly to promote liver health. Just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil can meet and exceed your daily alpha-linolenic acid needs. 2. Avocado. Many researchers have found that avocado may help lower blood lipids or fats and help prevent liver damage. Avocados are high in healthy fats and contain unique chemicals that reduce and slow down liver damage. Avocados are packed with glutathione, which helps get rid of harmful toxins in the body. Glutathione compound helps to detoxify and eliminate poisons and toxins in the liver, lungs and intestines, and kidneys. Nutritionists recommend that you should eat half avocado every day to maintain good liver health. 3. Tomato. Tomatoes are extremely good for liver health too, as they are rich in lycopene, which helps in effectively reducing fatty liver disease, inflammation, and liver cancer development. Higher consumption of tomatoes could be associated with a decreased risk of liver cancer caused by high-fat diets, a study has found. Steaming or boiling tomatoes is the preferred method of cooking to bring out more lycopene for optimal nutrition. Addition of olive oil to diced tomatoes during cooking greatly increase the absorption of lycopene too. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.